Hey guys, I'm Celia Creer, owner and designer of Lekker Kayaks. I want to tell you about the Albatross, this double-seater sit on top. Extremely versatile, super stable, quite a bit of speed. If you want to paddle with somebody else in a safe way, we don't need lots of skill, this is the boat to have. Okay, so the Albatross obviously has two cockpits, they're pretty much identical. We've got a bucket seat, super comfortable, you don't need a backrest with it, although it has the option, it's got all the attachment points for that. It's got the water bottle holder right in front of the seat, and it's got this footwell that is a bit lower than the seat, so it's a more comfortable position, and it also keeps your feet together, and the reason for that is to give you a more efficient paddling position, so the better ergonomics, so you can paddle faster, you can paddle for longer, and it also gives me the space to give these massive paddle cutaways on the side. You can see we have it both front and back. It really helps to have a more efficient paddle style. So that's what all my boats are about. It's about performance but stability at the same time, so anybody can paddle it. You don't need to be an expert. You can be a complete beginner, get in this boat and get paddling, okay? But as your skill improves, as you want to do longer distances, the ergonomics of this boat makes a big difference. Okay, another key feature of this boat is that the front and back cockpit are quite far apart, so that when you paddle with somebody else, you don't hit each other, you know, you don't connect paddles, or, you know, if you sit in the back, you don't hit the person in front of you. It really makes a big difference in the paddling experience. So in terms of the overall design of the boat, quite a long water line, so it's very fast. It's about 14 feet long, so that's about 4.3 meters. There's good glide for recreational, sit on top. It's quite a fast boat, so you can cover good distance with it. It also handles waves quite well, so I designed this boat to be used on the ocean as well. I work very closely with commercial operators who take clients out on the ocean, and I really listened to the things they wanted, and one of the things was quite a high volume bow, so it punches through waves very easily. It actually climbs over waves very easily, so it makes it a lot easier to get through waves. And the stern is a lot lower volume, and the reason for that is to make it less affected by wind, so it's much easier to control it and paddle straight. So in terms of steering, you don't need a rudder for this boat. You can easily steer it with paddle strokes, but it does have a rudder option. It's already rigged for that, so if you want it with a rudder, which might be needed if you go out where there's high wind or big waves, then a rudder does make a difference, so it has that option as well. Another key feature of this boat, 6 handles, so it's got one front, one back, so 2 people can carry it together. And you'll notice that they're off center, one on the left, one on the right, so it's very balanced when you carry it, but without bumping the boat against your legs when you carry it. And then on the side it has 2 handles, so when you have to move this boat on your own, it's a lot easier to grab 2 handles and maneuver it. This kayak has 2 hatches, 10-inch round hatches, one in the middle, so you can access the center of the boat, you can put stuff in there, and same at the back. So I wouldn't say this is a boat for multi-day trips, but you can certainly do a picnic and add some clothing and whatever you want in there. So if you want a kayak to use with your partner or for your family, this is the boat to get. 2 people paddling together without annoying each other, having a good time. Get an Albatross.